Good evening to all of you. Today we start topic reservation procedure. The first point is as soon as the reservation request is received, the room availability position is checked by referring RSB and subsequently DCC if required. The second point is if the reservation section is in a position to accept the reservation requests, then DCC is updated and subsequently RSB if required. The third one is then the RR form is filled in with the information provided by the guest and is kept in the correct slot of rotatory rack according to the date of arrival. The fourth point is during the day, whenever free time is available, the filled in RR form are taken out from the rotatory rack and the witness slip are prepared are in duplicate with the information provided. Fifth point is the original witness is placed on a witness carrier which is then placed on the proper witness rack in an alphabetically order. Sixth point is the duplicate witness system is attached to the RR form. The seventh point is the RR form is then kept in the RR form file. The, the reservation section maintains 43 RR form files which are maintained in the same way as that of witness racks. RR form files are kept under lock and key which is under the supervision of reservation supervisor. The eighth point is at the end of the day before closing the reservation section, the RR forms of the following days are taken out as well as the witness rack for the next day. The movement list is made referring the witness slips and RR forms. While distributing the movement list, the next day witness rack is handed over to the reception. The empty witness racks which are handed over the reception previous day is taken back. The witness racks act as guest alphabetically index rack at reception. This is how witness system rack keeps moving each day. The last one is every last but one day of the month, the witness rack of the following months is taken out and the witness slips are arranged in the witness racks, which are empty according to the date of arrival in an alphabetically order. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.